Alright guys, nandito tayo sa Sprouts. I used to work here. Babalik sana tayo pero wala na eh. Kaka-hire lang daw nila. So bibili lang tayong juice, simple lemonade. It's one of my favorite brand and flavor. And then here, coconut water from Thailand. Parang buko juice. And then we got the seeded eh. May buto. Pero matamis. Ayan, grapes. So, hold on. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can someone help me out? I don't know how to weigh the grapes.
So just scan it. There's a scanner.
Okay. Alright. It says unknown. I know you guys put the weight and all that. Oh, okay.
What is that? Oh.
Alright, yan. Tinitimbang nila. Okay. I know it's 3 something pounds, I think. Oh, okay. Good. Gracias. Thank you. Appreciate it. Ayan, so ganun yun. Nag-self-checkout kasi tayo. Ayan. So, Sprouts right here. On a Saturday, after lunch na. Gutom na ako, so dumaan lang ako kasi mag-apply sana tayo ulit. Nagpasa ako ng resume dito kaso wala, puno na eh. Pero mababa pa rin pala bigay ng Sprouts, 17 lang. So, alright. Follow up natin yung Amazon tsaka to. Alright. Bye you guys, please. Kailangan natin ng part-time eh. Love you guys. John R. De La Cruz.